El Nido is a group of islands located in the northern part of Palawan here in the Philippines. It's known for its stunning limestone cliffs and crystal clear blue waters. It's truly a paradise that you have to see to believe. I've left my home in the bustling city of Manila to explore this tropical paradise. During this 5-day trip, I'll be staying the night at the top-rated glamping site in all of Palawan, going on an island hopping trip to explore some of the most beautiful beaches El Nido has to offer, and I'm even booking to stay in my very own private island for a night. I can't wait to share all of these incredible experiences with you. It's time to explore the beauty of this tropical paradise in the Philippines. The Philippines is a land of adventure and wonder, and if you're looking for a once-in-a-lifetime experience, there's few better options than staying in a private island and having this incredible tropical paradise almost entirely to yourself. Welcome to Darocotan Island. Mabuhay sa Palawan! Today I'm staying on this private island over here. Let's go! Arriving on the island was incredible. We shared our boat with just 2 other girls who were visiting from Sweden. As the boat pulled into the island, we realised just how pristine this beach was. The sand was the softest I've ever felt, and the water was crystal clear. We were quickly shown to our camp for the night, which consisted of just 5 guest huts. The huts were beach shacks made entirely from natural materials. These were beautiful and perfect for an authentic island experience. Inside the shacks was simply a thin double mattress on the floor covered by a mosquito net. As you can see, the weather was absolutely incredible here. So after settling into our new home for the evening, we headed back to the beach to explore further and take a dip in the ocean to cool off. Honestly, I feel Philippines is one of the only places in the world you could book an island like this basically to yourself. There's about 15 other people here, and it is just such a nice place. It's so lovely. Oh, guys and girls, this is stunning. I'm so happy I booked this little place. We just got checked into our little wee hut, which I'll give you a tour of shortly, but this beach is bloody gorgeous. We saw a boat of tourists visiting just off the shore of the beach and snorkeling. We learned there was a shipwreck just off the coast of the island that we could swim to. This ship is part of a series of shipwrecks in the area from the US Navy launching an aerial attack on the Japanese Navy in World War II. The ships are now a massive tourist attraction, and this is one of the only ones you can snorkel without the need to scuba dive. Wanting to explore more of the island, we headed further down the beach and round the corner. This revealed not only another beautiful beach, but we also found a path that looked intriguing. This gorgeous green path ran through the middle of the island, eventually ending on the other side at another small camp similar to our own. So I'm just taking this little pathway through the forest, and it is actually beautiful. I love this. This is amazing. There's just nothing here. It's just vegetation in this little path. It's actually gorgeous. We had no idea there were other camps on the island, but this one also only had room for a handful of people, and we only saw about 5 or 6 people around. So we just found this beach on the other side of the island, and my god, it's beautiful here. I'm going to have to put the drone back up and get some footage of this place because it is gorgeous.
We stayed on this beach for a while before getting some drinks in this beautiful restaurant.
So we've just been spending time on this beach and we've just sat in this beautiful restaurant here, and it's pretty much the only one here. They're doing dinner later, but we're just going to have some drinks just now and head back to our camp.
This camp mostly made use of tents rather than shacks, but they looked great too, and they were right on the ocean front. With the sun setting, we drank up and headed back to our camp on the other side of the island before it got dark. We had some dinner, which was delicious barbecue, and we called it a night.
Good morning from here in El Nido. That was an interesting sleep. It wasn't too bad actually. The hut we're staying in is literally just a mattress on the floor, thin mattress, 2 pillows and a mosquito net. There's no AC, no fan, no nothing. When I booked this place, the sleep was what I was dreading because I knew it might be really hot, sweaty, sticky, but it really wasn't too bad. The only actual proper bad thing was the hut next to us started blaring Taylor Swift at 6 o'clock in the morning, which I don't know why you would do that in a place when you know people are trying to sleep. But yeah, it's another gorgeous day here. It's nice and cool just now.
We had a relaxing morning on the beach, making the most of the cool weather. After having some pancakes for breakfast, we decided to explore a path leading the opposite way from the one we took the day before. This path led us through a gorgeous grassy field which was covered in coconut trees. It came out at another small but beautiful beach. We spent a little bit of time here taking some more photos and videos. There were a bit more rocks in the water in this part of the island, which showed how perfectly clear the water was. Unfortunately, it was time to head back to our camp and call an end to our time living in this stunning tropical paradise. It's amazing that a short 18-hour period can leave memories that will last a lifetime, but Darocotan Island has definitely done that for me, and I can't wait to come back. I just know this island has more hidden treasures I wasn't able to find during this visit.
Stay on this island has been absolutely amazing. I have loved this. This has been amazing. It's like Castaway style, but with basic facilities, and everything's just gone perfect. The bugs weren't too bad, the sleep wasn't too bad, sunscreen worked perfectly, I didn't get burned or anything as far as I can tell so far, and it's just picturesque as hell. It's so nice. Philippines, you've knocked it out of the park with this one.
Our stay on Darakartan Island was honestly one of the best experiences in my life. I want to take time to thank the amazing staff that not only made our stay so enjoyable, but also play a massive part in keeping the island so pristine. Maraming salamat. Join me for my next video where I'll be staying in an incredibly beautiful and unique luxury glamping site right on the beachfront of the famous Macpan Beach. This was another incredible experience and I honestly can't wait to share it with you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in that video.